All right, Dom and Finn down the flying field for a second flight with the Corsair, and Finn has generously allowed me to have a fly of his latest RC airplane. So this is the 1.4 FMS F4U Corsair, classic warbird, iconic even. You were telling me earlier, you'd looked up on Wikipedia, I think, some of the info on this, but it had this style of wing. What do they call this? Gull wing?
Yeah, gull wing.
A gull wing, so that it was lower to the ground, so the undercarriage was shorter?
Yeah, because the big prop.
Right, okay. And it also had, this does not have this, unsurprisingly, but a folding wing as well, so it took up less space on a carrier deck, so they could store many more of these aircraft on top of an aircraft carrier. So looking forward to flying this. I've also got the 1.7 metre version of this at home, and I'll put that together this week, and that'll be reviewed by us on Essential RC soon. Might even let you have a go of that, Finn. Would you like that?
Maybe.
All right, so here we go. Finn's going to help me because I'm using his radio, what I'm not used to. But all right, here we go. Do you want to give me half flap? Where there's the flap switch on here? That one? Okay. Taxiing out. Here we go. Come and stand beside me, Finn.
Retract switch is down there.
All right, you can flick that for me
Yeah.
as soon as I get airborne. Lining up. All ready. Here we go. And what mode am I on? On the...
Optimised, so that's...
I'm on optimised, which is what I like as well. We might as well do that from the off. Here we go. Holding in the elevator, starting my... And the tail wheel should pop up. There it goes. Oh, it's off already. Oh, that took no...
Should I put flaps up?
Yeah, flaps and gear up, please. Thank you, sir. So half throttle. Got into the air a lot quicker than I was expecting there.
Yeah.
So again, half throttle. It's already trimmed out, I know that. That looks good, doesn't it, Finn?
Yeah. Sounds so good.
All right, we'll turn up here and we'll do a downwind pass. Let's see how quickly this thing moves with its 4-scale, 4-blade prop. Woo! Nice. All right, we're going to come to the center and we're going to pull a loop a little bit higher, full power. And off the power at the top of the loop. Beautiful.
God, that looks so
A little bit of wind now. We'll take advantage of that and we'll do another fast pass. Again, I'm half throttle most of the time. Going to full throttle now. Over that way, crank it over. Lovely. Right, let's see how it rolls. Not too low for this. Power. And roll. Feeding in a bit of elevator. That's good. We'll climb, do a reversal. And we'll do the same thing the other way. Nice to see those lights as well.
Yeah.
Nice and smooth. This is really good, Finn. Using a bit of rudder over the top there.
It's such a nice flying plane. The gyro definitely helps it, especially in winds like this.
Straight at the cameraman. Can you give me half flap? Let's slow it down a little bit. Thank you. Come the other way, and then we're going to And on this pass, we're going to put the gear down, Finn. So let me just turn, I'll tell you when. So we've got it for the cameraman. You ready? 3, 2, 1, now. Twist and turn. They take a few seconds, don't they? They take 3 or 4 seconds to deploy. All right, you ready on flaps?
Yep.
I'm going to go with full flap. Let's see how, I'll tell you when. Turn it into the wind and we'll put in flap and go, flaps. Power to the ground.
Nice full landing.
Beautiful.
How's that?
Let's see if it turns on the ground. I think quite difficult ground control in this wind. It doesn't want to turn. Oh yeah, thank you. That'll help it stay on the ground. Come on, turn.
It really doesn't want to turn, does it?
Once you get a bit of airflow over the rudder, I think it'll do it.
Oh no, the fence!
There you go.
That was a good flight done.
I love that. Immediate confidence after taking off. It's already been trimmed out by Finn on his first flight, but I'm not joking. Regardless, I've been flying lots of years, but you know straight away after taking off if something's going to fly well. And 1.4 meters, it's small, it's quite windy, but with that optimized mode, and you said this earlier on the gyro, it makes it feel like a 50cc model, doesn't it? The way that it flies. Feels like it's got some weight to it because it's cancelling out the effects of the wind. So really love that. That's the second video on this 1.4 metre FMS F4U Corsair. Hand it back to you, Finn, now. You can have some more fun with it. But thanks for watching this episode of Essential RC. We'll be back soon with the larger 1.7 metre. Thanks for watching. Cheers, Finn.
You're welcome.
See you soon. Bye. All right.